初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I have a plan today.
I have a plan today.
我今天有个计划。
I have a plan today.
I have a plan today.
I'll finish it tomorrow.
I'll finish it tomorrow.
我明天会完成它。
I'll finish it tomorrow.
I'll finish it tomorrow.
I'm leaving in minutes.
I'm leaving in minutes.
我几分钟后就要离开。
I'm leaving in minutes.
I'm leaving in minutes.
I'll call you tonight.
I'll call you tonight.
我今晚会给你打电话。
I'll call you tonight.
I'll call you tonight.
I'm working this afternoon.
I'm working this afternoon.
我今天下午要工作。
I'm working this afternoon.
I'm working this afternoon.
I'll be home soon.
I'll be home soon.
我很快就到家。
I'll be home soon.
I'll be home soon.
I'm meeting a friend later.
I'm meeting a friend later.
我稍后要见一个朋友。
I'm meeting a friend later.
I'm meeting a friend later.
I'll check it tomorrow.
I'll check it tomorrow.
我明天会检查它。
I'll check it tomorrow.
I'll check it tomorrow.
I'm staying here today.
I'm staying here today.
我今天要留在这里。
I'm staying here today.
I'm staying here today.
I'll start it now.
I'll start it now.
我现在就开始。
I'll start it now.
I'll start it now.
I'm taking a short break.
I'm taking a short break.
我正在短暂休息。
I'm taking a short break.
I'm taking a short break.
I'll visit them tomorrow.
I'll visit them tomorrow.
我明天会去拜访他们。
I'll visit them tomorrow.
I'll visit them tomorrow.
I'm going out soon.
I'm going out soon.
我很快就要出去。
I'm going out soon.
I'm going out soon.
I'll finish it later.
I'll finish it later.
我稍后会完成它。
I'll finish it later.
I'll finish it later.
I'm leaving early today.
I'm leaving early today.
我今天要早点离开。
I'm leaving early today.
I'm leaving early today.
I'll send it tonight.
I'll send it tonight.
我今晚会发送它。
I'll send it tonight.
I'll send it tonight.
I'm planning a trip.
I'm planning a trip.
我正在计划一次旅行。
I'm planning a trip.
I'm planning a trip.
I'll update you later.
I'll update you later.
我稍后会更新给你。
I'll update you later.
I'll update you later.
I'm heading there now.
I'm heading there now.
我现在正要去那里。
I'm heading there now.
I'm heading there now.
I'll walk there soon.
I'll walk there soon.
我很快会步行去那里。
I'll walk there soon.
I'll walk there soon.
I'm joining the meeting.
I'm joining the meeting.
我正在参加会议。
I'm joining the meeting.
I'm joining the meeting.
I'll write it today.
I'll write it today.
我今天会写它。
I'll write it today.
I'll write it today.
I'm staying in tonight.
I'm staying in tonight.
我今晚要待在家里。
I'm staying in tonight.
I'm staying in tonight.
I'll return next week.
I'll return next week.
我下周会回来。
I'll return next week.
I'll return next week.
I'm cleaning the room later.
I'm cleaning the room later.
我稍后会打扫房间。
I'm cleaning the room later.
I'm cleaning the room later.
I'll rest this evening.
I'll rest this evening.
我今晚会休息。
I'll rest this evening.
I'll rest this evening.
I'm working from home.
I'm working from home.
我正在家工作。
I'm working from home.
I'm working from home.
I'll check again later.
I'll check again later.
我稍后会再检查一次。
I'll check again later.
I'll check again later.
I'm starting next month.
I'm starting next month.
我下个月开始。
I'm starting next month.
I'm starting next month.
I'll finish before lunch.
I'll finish before lunch.
我会在午餐前完成。
I'll finish before lunch.
I'll finish before lunch.
I'm visiting my parents.
I'm visiting my parents.
我正在拜访我的父母。
I'm visiting my parents.
I'm visiting my parents.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
我会考虑一下。
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
I'm doing it tomorrow.
I'm doing it tomorrow.
我明天会做这件事。
I'm doing it tomorrow.
I'm doing it tomorrow.
I'll review it later.
I'll review it later.
我稍后会审查它。
I'll review it later.
I'll review it later.
I'm heading out soon.
I'm heading out soon.
我很快就要出门。
I'm heading out soon.
I'm heading out soon.
I'll cook tonight.
I'll cook tonight.
我今晚会做饭。
I'll cook tonight.
I'll cook tonight.
I'm waking up early.
I'm waking up early.
我正在早起。
I'm waking up early.
I'm waking up early.
I'll sleep soon.
I'll sleep soon.
我很快就要睡觉了。
I'll sleep soon.
I'll sleep soon.
I'm planning my weekend.
I'm planning my weekend.
我正在计划我的周末。
I'm planning my weekend.
I'm planning my weekend.
I'll update you tomorrow.
I'll update you tomorrow.
我明天会更新给你。
I'll update you tomorrow.
I'll update you tomorrow.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。